Good morning. Today is Saturday, December 17th, and I am vlogging today because tonight my friends and I are having our annual Secret Santa party. I always vlog this every year. This is, I think, our 5th year doing it. 5 is a big year, and I'm hosting it tonight, so I have a ton of stuff to get done today to prep. It's a small little get-together. It's usually 6 of us. We're actually down 2 this year. It's still gonna be so much fun, and I'm just excited to be with my friends. I'm making some really yummy things to serve. So I have my jingle juice, which I made last year, and it was such a hit. It's basically like a big jug of Moscato, Prosecco, frozen cranberries, a few other things, and it's just such a good drink to serve at a party if you have anything that you need to like batch a drink for. I highly recommend making this. It's just so easy to sip on, so I'm making that, and then I'm pretty sure my friend Dana's making like a sweet like dessert drink, so we'll have those to sip on. And then I'm also making a charcuterie situation. It's not really a board, you'll see later, but I saw this idea on TikTok to make like a Christmas tree charcuterie thing. We can call it a charcutertree. It's gonna be so cute. So I have to go run a couple of errands right now to get everything that I need for both those things. So I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. Hopefully I can get all of the food items that I need there, but if not, I may also stop at Whole Foods. But I need to get like meats, cheeses, crackers, whatever I find. And then I also need to go to a liquor store to get the Moscato, the Prosecco. It has vodka in it too, but I already have vodka, so I think just those 2 things. That's it. So I'm gonna go out right now and run my errands. Then I need to come back and deep clean my apartment because it's a little bit of a mess right now. There's just so much to do today, so let's get on it. Alrighty, ignore my dishwasher going in the back, but here is everything that I got from the grocery stores. I ended up having to go to Trader Joe's and Whole Foods, and I still am missing one thing for my drink recipe. I need cran apple juice, and I couldn't find it at Whole Foods or at the liquor store, so I'm probably just gonna go to a CVS, and if they don't have it, I'll just use regular cranberry juice, but so annoying, whatever. Here's what I got from Trader Joe's. These things are just groceries that I needed for the week, so not for tonight, but I just stocked up on yogurt, blueberries, raspberries, coffee creamer, apples. And then over here is stuff for tonight. So I got 2 limes for my drink, and then all of this is for the charcuterie. So I got some grapes. I felt like that would be a nice thing to mix in. And then I got some salami. This also has salami in it, and then some provolone cheese, and then some prosciutto. And then I got this block of Asiago cheese, and then some cheddar. I have to stick everything with toothpicks onto this like foam tree thing, so I needed to get some like solid cheeses versus soft cheeses. So I got everything that's like more solid. And then I also am so excited about these. I got 2 dips that I'm just gonna put in little dishes and put on a board next to the tree. So I got this sweet cannoli dip. I'm so excited to try this. You'll see in a second. From Whole Foods I got strawberries, and I think the strawberries dipped in this are gonna be unreal. And then I also got this fig butter, which is basically just like a fig flavored jam. So that's everything from Trader Joe's. And then I also stopped at Whole Foods, and like I said, I got strawberries to dip in the cannoli dip, and then I got some crackers. I thought these sounded so good, cranberry and hazelnut crackers. And then I got these more plain rosemary crackers. And then I did get 1 soft cheese because this just sounded so good. It's like a blueberry coated goat cheese, wild blueberry, lemon, and thyme. That's gonna be so good. And then I realized I needed a big block of cheese to be able to cut the star out to put on top of the tree. I went to Target a few weeks ago and I picked up this star cookie cutter, so this cheese is like the perfect size. So I'm gonna cut a star out and stick it on top of the tree. So that's all of the grocery items. And then I also went to the liquor store, so I got this big jug of red Moscato. Feel free to swap in a nicer wine, but honestly, once everything's mixed together, I feel like it doesn't really matter if it's like a high quality wine. So I just got this cheap bottle, and you need 1.5 liters, so this is like a big boy. And then I just got a regular bottle of Prosecco, and that is everything. So all done with my errands, except for still trying to find some cran apple juice, but we'll see what we can do. So I'm gonna put all this away for now and then get started on cleaning up my apartment. About to wrap the gift for my Secret Santa recipient. So since this video is obviously going up after the exchange, I can show you what I got her. So my recipient for this year's Secret Santa is my friend Sylvia. I know I've shouted this app out every year that I do this vlog, but we use the app Elfster to organize our Secret Santa. You just put all of the participants in and then it randomly assigns you with the person that you're gifting to. And then what's nice is everyone can make their own wish list of stuff that they want. So you can see the wish list of the person that you're shopping for and get an idea of what they want. So I got Sylvia 2 things from her wish list. The main gift is this bag from Princess Polly. I actually have this exact bag and I thought it was a perfect gift for Sylvia because whenever we're out together, she always comments on my bags and they're almost always from Princess Polly. So I got her this one from her wish list. It's super cute. I have it, like I said, and I literally use it all the time. So I got her this, and then I also got her this Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. It's like a plumping lip gloss in the shade Mixed Berry. So it's like a mauvey, neutral pink color. This was also from her wish list, and I haven't tried this, but it looks really nice. So those are her main 2 gifts. We have a $50 limit, so we keep it pretty small, but I think she's gonna really like these. And then I also just picked up a few little sweet treats to throw in the bag for her. So I also got this Tony's Chocolonely bar. It's the chocolate caramel cookie flavor, and I just love their packaging, so I got that. And then I also got this hot cocoa bomb. It's milk chocolate with mini marshmallows, so just add it to hot milk, and then it makes hot chocolate and has marshmallows in it somehow. Also got her those. And then I have this little gift bag. Holly Jolly vibes. I'm gonna wrap this now, put it under the tree. Ready and changed into my Christmas PJs. I got these pajamas last year. They're from the brand PJ Salvage and they have little Lennons all over them. But I finished cleaning the apartment. I set all the vibes. I have all my candles going, the Yule log on, all my little lights and my Christmas tree. And it looks stunning. It's finally time to start putting my drinks and food together. So I'm gonna start with the drink. I think I'm actually gonna half my normal recipe just because it's only 4 of us this year and people are also bringing a few other drinks. So I think half of my normal recipe will be enough. But if not, I can always make more later on. But the full recipe and the amount that I made last year was just 4 cups of cran apple juice, which I still couldn't find cran apple juice, so I just ended up getting 1 mini cranberry juice and 1 mini apple juice. It's probably not exactly the same, but I think it's good enough. 1.5 liters of red Moscato, and then 1 bottle of Prosecco, half a cup of vodka, 2 cups of frozen cranberries, and then 2 sliced limes. So just gonna half all of that and put it into this big jug to serve in. You just put it in here, add ice, mix it all up, and that's the drink. to make my Christmas tree, charcutertree. I got this foam cone thing from Hobby Lobby a few weeks ago, and I just wrapped it in plastic wrap so that the foam doesn't actually touch the food. And then I actually just got this board recently too. I didn't have a cheese board and I felt like I needed one, so I got this from World Market. So I'm gonna wrap this with meats and cheeses, and then we'll put the crackers and the soft cheese and the dips kind of around it on the board. So I have all my goods that you guys saw earlier, so I'm just gonna kind of start putting stuff on. And I have toothpicks to stick everything on. Sylvia's famous buffalo dip, some garlic bread. What's on it?
Mascarpone.
Oh, mascarpone. Strawberry. Sugar cookie martinis. Charcutertree. Are those like cosmic brownies but Christmas cheese? Oh, I fucking love cosmic brownies.
I love
Cookies. Cheers. Sylvia has Dana.
I love it. A little one of your hauls, please.
Yes.
I know. Okay, guys. So.
It's like a book.
Oh my God, Sylvia. Oh my God.
Sylvia, what did you get?
Sylvia, what the hell? What the hell? Oh my God, Sylvia's gonna cry.
No, don't cry. What is it?
Ooh, I love your packaging. Like, yours is
It's so extra. I love it.
Wait, I love that's blue. It just keeps coming. And lo and behold, it's mascara. Oh my God.
Ooh, what's two things? It's like a primer.
Wait, I love this. I've been waiting to try this.
What is it?
It's like the bottom bronzing, like tanning.
Oh,
like tanning drops? Yes. I love that. Sephora. How did you even get this? Oh my God.
Drunk Elephant?
I thought it was sold out from Sephora. Literally everybody on that. I literally been wanting everyone's so bad. Thank you very much.
Yay!
That was so cute.